Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create this pull-in and slide shake transitions in CapCut. So first you need to prepare 4 clips and import it to CapCut. Then click on the transition box in between the first and second clip. Then select the pull-in transition under the camera category. Now click on the check icon, and for the next transition select the blur category, and in here find the retro light. Under the light effect, click on the retro light, and for the last one find the future spectrum under the light effect category. Okay, this one. Click on the check icon, and now click on the second clip, go to animation, then select the side slide animation for the second clip. Okay, and for the third clip select the turbulence animation, turbulence 2. Okay, click on the check icon and you are done. So this is the transitions. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.